Hello, good morning. Here, this is my third PDF, and we are discussing the question about unity and diversity. How our India has how our India is a diverse country with have a unity like diversity like culture like religion like anything we have that diversity but we have unity. India is a plural country, both in later and spiritual. If we were right about the India, we have so much opinion, and in spiritual also we have a different kind of opinion. India has a unity and diversity. They have different language, different religion, different culture, and many more. Like caste and community that help to India as a unity. India has a multiple foreign invasion of the culture जैसे Persian culture, other like Persian language, and other Greek. They have invaded. Chinese have invaded in our country. They have a different culture, and somehow we have adopted that. We have a westernization culture. Now come to the linguistic diversity. India has a different type. India has a spoken different. Indian people have a spoken different kind of language. Several language families like Aryan language families. 75% of the Indian have a Aryan language family. Dravidian is spoke only 20%. So largest people have population have spoken 75% of the population has spoken Indo-Aryan. We have influenced so much Indo-Aryan language, and Dravidian language spoke only 20%. 20% people spoke about Dravidian language, and other language. We have other language also. As to Tibetan and minor language has the India highest number of language after the Papua New Guinea. India as a second place which have a large number of language. Okay, now come to the point of racial diversity. India has a different kind of a race. We have a different kind of race, like Negrito, post Proto-Australide, Mongolide, Mediterranean, Western, Pacific, and Nordic. We already know that the Indian people uh, somehow uh, somehow ancestor of the Aryan people, and there are different type of tribal. We are the ancestor of different kind of tribals. Negrito, Proto-Australide, Mongolide, and Mediterranean, and Western Pacific, and Nordics. Okay. Now come to the point caste diversity. India have a different type of caste, almost 500 plus caste in our country, but we are the unite although different caste, but we are there. India has a large number of castes, but categories of the varna system. Varna system is jati like brahmanas, kshatriyas, vaishyas, and shudras. This category has been uh, categorized in the Vedic period. But in Vedic period, this category where in Vedic period this category where on in the form of their work, what type of work they do. But with the phase of the time, that category people take it as a granted, and they are divided the population into on the basis of their birth. Jati system is not static. Jati system is not static. Somebody whenever they were trying to somebody when they were trying to shift from one jati to the another, then they can be shifted. Other culture diversity. Culture diversity. India is a large population country. India is a large population country with a different type of a culture. With a different type of culture, different dance form, different food habit, different choice of the songs, and different type of places to residence. There are different kind of, and geographical diversity. India, this is our India. Okay, this is our India, and we have Himalayan region to coastal region to northeastern region to western region. People are categorized in a different form. People have a different geographical categories. Okay, our constitution and its value must form guiding principle. Our constitution has been taken from the guiding principle of our society. Any society which has tried to homogenize itself equals stagnation, and we have seen that any society which has the diversity, they are the stagnant. But which we have the diversity, they are flowing and developed. But who have constant, who have a constant and they does not have a diversity, then they are stagnant. Because of time, they also decline. Best example is Pakistan. They are trying to impose the culture of Muslim. Now we can see that Bangladesh has been wait a minute. Bangladesh has ultimately leading to East Pakistan has been leading to creating the Bangladesh. Bangladesh in 1971 with the help of India and Russia, Bangladesh have independent other country because they have different language, different culture. But Pakistani government tried to impose all kind of religion on them, That's why this declination has been seen. Thank you so much. This is my first question. I will go to the question. Actually, I'm in a rush. Sorry. Thank you.